Alright, we're in Iowa City. We got a glass elevator at this parking garage. I don't know what kind it is. We'll find out. Modded. Some kind of mod. It is a hot day today. Hot, hot, hot. I am burning up just being outside. It's taking its time, that's for sure. Alright, we'll go down to basement first. Yeah, this is a little slow on the leveling. This is the Dubuque Street ramp. Here we are at the top. Construction area. Oh, it looks like they're like resurfacing the lot. Hold on. It's hard to tell who installed this. Maybe it was like a Schumacher or something. Who even knows? I don't even know when this garage was built. Oh, it was a Montgomery. That's a Monty door trailer. This was a Montgomery. Yeah, guys, I am burning up in here. It is so hot today. But that is typical. It's a late day in late June, so it's going to be hot as hell. It's kind of to be expected, I guess. Anyway, that will be all.